That front row's pretty close on speed.
You think? Just an RCH.
Alrighty, gentlemen, appreciate everybody coming here and racing. We will have to pit. We're not clearing black flags or speeding on and off pit road or unsafe pit exit. No scuffing tires. Admin, this is their warning. See someone scuffing tires, let's get them up and out of here. Watch that bumping in the turns and the tri-oval. Don't push the pusher. Definitely don't bump the pusher. High line for lap down vehicles in this room is by that wall. Please be aware of the lead at all times. Cars on the lead lap. We do not want to take them out. If you're about to go a lap down, I advise you don't block or do anything stupid of that nature. If you do so, you will be removed and more likely on the blacklist. Let's just have a good clean race, have some fun. The real race don't start till after the pit stop. No 3 wide on pit road, and no driving down pit stalls blocking people from pitting. If you do such, you will more than likely definitely be removed and on the blacklist because we run a lot of pit stop races in here. Again, any active members of the Armed Forces veterans in here with us, we appreciate you racing with us. And Mr. Kenneth and Mr. Stewart, would y'all like to add something?
Like you said, Jimmy, the race won't start till after the pit, so keep it clean, hold your line.
Thanks to everybody coming here and racing, Crow's Nest drivers. Appreciate y'all. Team Outcast, appreciate you guys coming here and running. Mr. Stewart, appreciate you coming back and racing with us. And again, appreciate everybody coming here and running. We run a tight ship in here. Fun to us is good racing, so let's just have a good race. There's one winner, but if we have a good race, I feel like everybody wins, so let's have a good race.
No.
Don't forget, November 24th, Senior Crow's Nest Stewie's doing the Tornado Alley 500, 334 laps at Kansas in the DW12 under the lights. Y'all be sure and check that out and join him.
Looking forward to having your daddy back on at night, probably tomorrow night, right?
Again, admins, please be my eyes on the track. Someone not holding the line, being sketchy. Let's get them up and out of here. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Nothing personal.
Still there. He's still there. Car low. He's still there. He's still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. You're clear inside. Nice one, James. Good start. Car low. Hold that line. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. He's still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. Still there. 3 wide, you're the middle. Still there. Still there. You're clear up high. Car low. Hold your line. You're still there. Clear right and left. Car inside. Clear inside. Car inside. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold that line. Still there. He's still there. He's still there. Still there. You're clear low. High side. Still there. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line. He's still there. Hold your line. Hold your line. You are clear outside.
Sorry about that, James.
P20. That last lap was at 49.5. The car ahead has just done a 49.5.
Had technical difficulty. I'll watch from the tower.
The leader has just done a 49.7.
The real race don't start till after the pit stop.
The guy ahead's lap time is 49.2.
You're good. Down.
Yeah, it just totally booted me from the top for some reason.
Dude, announce your pitting.
I didn't know it was
The leader has just done a 49.4.
This time we'll hook up. Yeah, I'll go with you.
Well, I'm up here pitting.
Oh, 44 pitting.
21 pitting.
Emma, I'll go with you whenever you go.
Guys, I forgot and got tires. I'm out of the race.
Oh, dang.
What happened, Mr. Ritchie?
I got you, Dwight. We'll see what we can do here, partner.
On the car pit.
Stupid.
132. 64 pitting.
Pitting.
Go high, left car, get off the track.
Want to pit.
Thanks for letting me know y'all were coming. I didn't even see you.
The leader is pitting now.
Good job there, Dwight.
Same with you.
Hey guys, let me know who wins. I'll see y'all over at the Canyon race.
Moving up.
It's getting mighty hot there, Dwight.
Okay. Thanks for the push.
The leader's just done a 49.2.
Gary, y'all let me know when you're getting close.
Out of gas. Just can't lead the whole thing and take 3 gallons. That was some good pushing up.
Good job there, Robert. That's cool. Jesse, that was good. That was fun.
Yeah, good run.